Swindon.
Hair running. Now let's Swindon away. They got all fat out the boxes there. Sweet Baby Jane, another one who was slow to depart the start with Swift Baino. Going in towards that bend. A bit of trouble around that corner as well. 1 and 3 in each other's path. But it's the Black Jacket of 4 who's out on top. That one's Bullies Barker. A couple lengths back then to Kate Lodger is now trying to take aim. Coming off the final turn then. There's about 8 lengths between leader and last.